What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the SoCal Wax Shop YouTube channel. My name is Brandon, and today we're going to go over the April deal of the month. So for this month's deal of the month, we made it an interior kit. So our first product that we're going to be using today is going to be our citrus venom. It's a great citrus degreaser. I have it diluted here 7-to-1 because the panels aren't that dirty today, so I don't have to go stronger. The next item in our deal of the month is going to be a 400-gram weight microfiber towel that's going to help agitate the citrus venom and also clean the product off of the panels. Our next item in our deal of the month is going to be our leather venom. This is a great dressing for all leather, vinyls, rubbers, and plastics on the interior and exterior of the vehicle. It has 4 essential oils of mink in the product, so it keeps your seats, your dash, and your door panels nice and hydrated. The conditioner can be arguably more important for your vehicle because over time, if you don't properly dress your plastics, your vinyls, your leathers, your rubbers, they're gonna crack and are prone to fading. And to apply that, we're gonna use a cotton applicator. Lastly, what would a SoCal Wax Shop deal of the month be without a SoCal Wax Shop air freshener? So on the SoCal Wax Shop website, we have this horsehair bristle brush. It's not too aggressive, but it helps agitate the citrus venom a lot more than a microfiber towel, so keep that in mind. This is what I'm gonna be using today. People will often ask me, Brendan, how do I know if the surface needs to be cleaned or if I can just go straight into the conditioning process? What I normally tell people is that if the surface looks glossy at all, and it's not supposed to look that way, so you can see right here that this is all glossy right here. When you can obviously see here in the corner, it's supposed to be a matte. So that's how we know that there's some oil, whether it be lotion, skin oil, or anything else that got onto the panel. So we are gonna work top to bottom, that way we don't have any cross-contamination. So I'm gonna use the horsehair bristle brush to kind of agitate the citrus venom, and then I'm gonna wipe it off with that towel that is included in our deal of the month. So do keep in mind when you're in the store or online to ask about this brush and how it can save your life. I won't detail about it, whether it be for seats, door panels, even the dashboard. I love it just because it alleviates a bunch of effort that is required for detailing. So first off, we're gonna go ahead and spray our brush or your towel with the citrus venom diluted 7-to-1. So now that this is clean, you can see that this is no longer oily. Also, there was a little black stain right here. We got that out. You'll see that in before and after pictures. All right, so our next step is going to be conditioning the area that we cleaned. So we're going to put a few dabs on our applicator and just massage it in the door panel. We'll just put a little line here. That was coming out a lot faster than I thought it was gonna. That is for sure. And then to make it a little less glossy, if you're not a fan of the gloss, I just flip over the applicator and then I just kind of buff some of it off to reduce the shine a little bit. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the SoCal Wax Shop YouTube channel. And for all the products you saw in this video, go ahead and visit www.socalwaxshop.com. And if you have any questions, email socalwaxshop@gmail.com. We'll try to get back to you as soon as possible, and we'll see you in next week's video. So for this one's interior, what? I sprayed way too much. Well, we make do with what we got, right? So, butterfly the pad to ask about this brush.